31,000 feet. Weather en route, expect cloudy to partly cloudy. I'll just get back to you when we get the latest weather en route.
Dito tayo sa loob ng Philippine airlines. Thank you so much everyone. Dito tayo sa loob ng Philippine airlines. Thank you so much everyone. Shout out pala sa ate ko is Ludo. Naluwag naman po sila sa Philippine airlines. Hindi siya gano'n kadami ang tao kasi limited lang yung tao. Dito sa inupuan ko at actually 3 tao ang pwede dito pero sa ngayon isa lang siya kasi pandemic. So kailangan may distancing. Ayan. Pag
One hour and 15 minutes will be an altitude of 31,000 feet. Weather en route, expect cloudy to partly cloudy. I'll just get back to you when we get the latest weather information. So for your safety, keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated, and welcome aboard.
To fasten your seatbelt, push the end together. To tighten, pull the loose end off the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift up off the buckle, pull free and to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's face. Your life vests are found under your seat or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove any sharp object from your body. Sleep vest over your head. Take tape around your waist and push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the twin inflation cord at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tube. Push pin inward to release air. Do not inflate your life vest while inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate once the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need an assistance, put your mask first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Please locate the nearest exits. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, the emergency lights and hot markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the passenger's briefing card found in the seat pockets in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seatbacks in upright position. Ladies and gentlemen, as a safety requirement for takeoff, we will now be dimming the cabin lights. If you wish to read, reading lights are found in the service panels above you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Laguindingan Airport. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Cagayan de Oro. Time now for your convenience is exactly 33 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. And the date today is 20th of September 2020.